Guku ni Waiko Podcast no muthi ni muthenya wa reggae edition. Yaman na turasherekera Rastaman the Gikuyu. Rastaman never die, and if he dies never decomposes, and if he decomposes he is never eaten by worms, and if he is eaten by worms Osione mo Rastaman fake. Rastaman never step on grass. Neke why honani how do you it's about to go down. Yeah. Different colors, one people, different colors, nice people, different colors, one people, different colors, one people, one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's say one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. No woman, no cry. I said no man, no woman, no cry. I said no woman, no cry. I said no man, no woman, no cry. Many people want to know why I am a Rasta man. Many people want to know why I have you in my heart. It's because of Babylon. And situation, it's because of Babylon. And situation. Koko ni Gikuyu Podcast no more than a reggae music edition. Kato ashekela reggae. Yani Rastaman ove Gikuyu. Bo, yo man. We've been smoking ganja from where? Oh, the money mo make oko guy. Oko da ko oko. Na Rastaman nikiria Rastaman ogeda wikara wega na Rastaman ke demo hediri mo. Ogeda wikara wega na Rastaman. Leki akuhekirira tondu Rastaman ni egukwira ati maundu mari mothe me Mount Kenya. Kirema gya Kirinyaga. Rastaman agitwo kuhende to cia kirema gya Kirinyaga. Ne makome maheni matheri akawathiria ate gwithio maheni Rastaman no akuheni jina make Rastaman ugera wika na thayu reke kwe story avu muhe time athia gucie gabangi hanini muhe time tu mpe time athia na hau agucie gabangi avu ekete okay yani agucie dukuru agucie roko kana agucie ke githukia tumbo Rastaman meda guika tobo uthukitio ni kugucia kidukuru kugucia ki keke oya koge kitete no bake juanga matihutagia yaman taja mo Rasto mwana uhanyu no doge na Rastaman ashio niado by the way niado Rastaman yani nekagiko na dugakora Rastaman ati ekirite ati wega ati fashion ikamo Rastaman yagekira fashion ikamo Rastaman yagekira osio ni Rastaman fake ma I'm telling you osio ni Rastaman fake Rastaman ni wikira nyiro oguo wekira wakona madredi wakona kagiko wakora hena story nyingi cia maheni na gatoro kohoro dukuru githukia tombo oroko dogo yani na tugesherekera andu aria matoineire tene wa Rastaman. That is Lucky Dube. That is Ganja man. That is Morgan Heritage. You don't have it right to be Rasta. No kora kera take mani no koi mo Rasta by the way. Yeah, you don't have it right to be Rasta. Yeah man. That is it. You don't have it right to be Rasta. Yani ukoi mo Rasta. Tomasti ukona dready. No ko we kihara ukono we na kihara takemani kana maina kana ida wa dungo ida wa gesohi ida wa kamau ida wa iderero no ko badore okay ule Rasta todo Rasta mani tikiria tima ready. It comes from a heart yani umake goroine haune jumotiro no ni mwamenya Yaman na tokerekia na rwimbo rumwe rwa reggae na ni rwimbo ruriko rwega rwa reggae muwe kana mukwenda rwimbo ruriko Like the money can you Buffalo soldier in the Buffalo soldier in the army of America. So from Africa taken to America. Yo 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 yo. Here you more reggae edition. Thank you guys. God bless you.